People, when they talk about Ayurveda, the synonym goes that it is without side effect. It's safe to do at home. And hence, many people, they use tulsi for cough and cold, or turmeric as an antiseptic powder. Or there are several other medications when people use it at home. Something which people would also like to know. Can some oils be prepared at home to add the aesthetic value, maybe the glowing hair and the long hair, the glowing skin?
Definitely.
So that not to depend on the adulterated market medicines.
Yes. Ayurveda offers care for different aspects of life. It's not just disease alone. Aesthetic aspect also is taken into account.
Yes.
Especially we can have different preparations of oil that can be used for the promotion of hair growth, preventing hair fall, preventing premature graying and dandruff and related difficulties.